This is Geometry, Chapter 4, Section 2. We're talking about square roots. The square root is a number times itself. It's the opposite of a number squared. If a number has a square root, then what we're saying is it is a perfect square. So what is a perfect square? Well, to understand that, we must understand what a square is. A square is an object that has four sides where all sides are of equal length. So if I have a square, and we're going to say that these are 4 feet each side of the square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a square with 4 sides, and all lengths are the same. That makes it a square. Well, if I were to add the perimeter of this square, where I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that would give me a total of 16 feet. Or I could say that it is S squared, where S is 4 squared. So with that in mind, if I have a square root, and I have my radical sign, then a square root is a number times itself. So if I were to take this square, and instead of having the square, I said the square root of 16. So the first thing is, would 16 be a perfect square? It would be a perfect square. The reason for that is because a number times itself is going to be a square. Therefore, the square root of 16 would equal 4. And as I mentioned earlier, the square root of 16 is going to be equal to 4 squared. They're the same thing. Okay, the square root sign is equal to a number squared. That is the same meaning. So if I use the number 16, that is a perfect square. If I were to use the number 25, square root of 25. Well, if I were to take 5 times 5, that would equal 25. So the square root of 25 does have a perfect square, and that perfect square would be 5.